is.
This is flood. Oh my god.
Well, that's what she wanted to see in the truck.
Make it that way.
I'm going right now. So Sarah. That waves though.
See that car get the car all the way down, see it covered all the way up his engine.
Can't see. I zoomed in. If you want me to video,
I don't know.
Sure.
Okay.
Me and Sarah are recording this. Technically, I'm recording it.
Is everybody recording it?
Yeah. Yes. I'm posting it on YouTube. Watch it.
Middle
If you
way.
zoom
It's
in,
not as deep.
it gets a better shot.
We'll take it slow too, so don't push up all over.
Going to flood, guys. We're going in. Oh, no, never mind. Nope. Oh, the school is flooded entirely. Let's go to safe. The school is probably going to be really, really flooded. Yep. We're videoing this until we get back to the house because I want to take it. I can, if I have your
Bow Creek is
thing
flooded.
or
I
like
can see it
messages
from
and
here.
stuff, I can send you the video. Got it. Yes, damn. That was epic. Oh, guys, we got your natural license plate. What at least I did it.
Fine.
The flood, though, that hurt. I just heard we got the after effects, surely. So, can we see if my neighborhood is flooded? Because
Well, yeah,
there's-
when we come back down, we'll see your mom's road.
Got it. Wait, are we actually gonna like be checking out how bad it's flooded all around?
That's what we're doing. We're checking it out, seeing whether or not I'm gonna even bother to go to work.
I'm gonna post it on my YouTube channel.
You're not gonna post that on your YouTube channel.
Why?
Start a new one.
Why?
I don't want me talking on there.
Okay.
Silly girl.
You talked again!
She's booby.
I'm posting this one.
Okay, booby.
I'm posting this. It's set up. You know? Yeah, it says her voice. Oh. Well, I actually have something called iMovie that I use to make them smaller. There's actually some open spots for my own OCs for it. Every time I see a license plate, I'm covering it.
You don't need to do that.
Oh yeah.
Would you like to play a role in that?
He's stuck.
Probably there from last night. I'm
Wait,
watching
can we see it?
how high it gets up there.
Zoom in.
No, don't do it.
I'm seeing how high it gets.
I see how high it's getting. Don't do it.
Uh-oh.
Pull over.
Okay, that's really high. Are you sure you want to do this?
He's yanking around.
Yeah.
You can make it something throw it. Right? He's lifted.
I feel bad for these houses. Well, that's kind of what it is.
That's up to bump around.
I just got it on your hand so I could show
Yeah,
them
he
my
yoinked
perspective.
around.
It's kind of easier.
I'm in that truck. you
I'm
can-
covering the license plate. Nope. Actually, if it's that sensitive, you can really see it. But yeah, you can see it almost. If you want to try that.
No, but there's that car.
This
Turn
flood
around.
though.
The Selena floods.
Well, I'll find out.
That way though.
That.
What's the license plate?
Just turn it around in the driveway.
That's too deep too.
Don't.
Look.
If I ain't making that.
Let me see. Show it. I am. My phone is flood water. Sarah. Oh! Our phone is flood water is exploration. Damn. Literally. Keep it going. I can go up to 15 minutes long, I believe.
Go down to the hallway. Go like you're going to.
I can pause the video.
I gotta see if I can make it in.
Yeah, see?
Well, yeah, you can make it that way.
Maybe.
If you can't go that way, then you're gonna.
I think I took a finished picture. Just keep it rolling. Ow. This is awesome though.